Man, I want to finish this, bro. Seriously. Too long. Because we believe, because it's fucking Ferrari, the part's gonna be fit, right? You wrong, homie.
Why are you drinking that like a beer?
What?
Why are you acting like that's beer?
Oh!
you want to drink a beer right now, that's why.
Alright guys, I'm standing in front of this beautiful 812 Superfast. This is the highest spec Superfast I've ever seen. It's almost a $600,000 window sticker. The personalized plaque in the back that shows all the modifications and options for this car are the longest I've ever seen. It has matte carbon all around the car, inside out. It has this Italian painted stripes all along the bottom of the car. It has a hand-painted Scuderia shield on the side of it. So much customization. It has a plaque that says hand-tailored by Ferrari on it. This customer came to us, wanted to lower it. We lowered it on Novitec springs. We also added the perfect amount of spacers. It's literally unbelievable stance. That's all we did to it. We did it in about 4 hours, which is ridiculous. That's what we do at RDB. We get things done the right way and on proper times. But yeah, this is a special paint color as well from Ferrari. Literally the nicest 812 I've ever seen. We ordered a set of Novitec Boston wheels for it. That's gonna come in a few months. But yeah, for now, that's what you see right here. It's a beautiful, gorgeous 812. And these 812s are just now discontinued along with the F8. We heard the news today. So crazy to get this here. Super excited with it. And the customer's gonna come pick it up right now.
What is this? What the? This is like a hat. Hey, mira, para una cachucha. Un sombrero pirata, Morgan. Qué chulada. Hey, no seas. Hey, hombre. No me vengas con esa onda, vos. Somos don. ¿Cómo va, loco? ¿Tú te acuerdas cómo va esta madre? Alguien por ahí que sepa cómo va esto, que venga y me diga. Front bumper, ¿verdad?
¿Esa qué lado hay? ¿Esta vaina?
No es esa. ¿O sí, loco? En serio, loco, no me recuerdo cómo esta madre. Alguien que sepa.
Standing in front of this beautiful F8 Spyder right here. This is a 2022 model. They just discontinued this model and the 812, so this thing is gonna skyrocket in value. It's literally the last model ever made. So this is the Spyder, obviously, gorgeous, beautiful yellow color, and we just added this insane 1016 Industries carbon fiber kit. Has carbon fiber all over, a tremendous amount of parts on the hood, lower spoiler, by the headlights, under the headlights, side skirts, rear spoiler, diffuser, upper and lower, J-vents, so much carbon fiber. We also lowered it on Novitec springs. It has a 1016 Industries straight pipe exhaust system. It's also tuned and custom 2021 inch retro style wheels that you guys saw us put on the SF90 recently. But yeah, shitload of mods on this car, honestly. It's a gorgeous car with a black and yellow interior, yellow seatbelts. We've been doing a lot of Ferraris lately. We just finished up that beautiful 812 as well. So super excited to show you guys all the stuff we have in store. A few things we're gonna change on this car before you guys say anything. The right side of the car has polished silver wheels. The driver's side has the two-tone black. Customer wanted to do both of them just to see what he's gonna like better. So we all like the black side better, obviously. So we're making a decision to make the other side black as well. So it's gonna be matching black on both sides. We're also gonna paint the carbon fiber wing yellow. We think it's a little bit too much carbon fiber in the back, even though it looks really good. We're gonna paint the wing yellow. So stay tuned for those updates. We're gonna kind of redo that a little bit, but yeah, check out this gorgeous F8 Spyder.
hesitant.